This video is to illustrate how the team discovery offering works inside of the Predictive Index software. So when we come into the team discovery section under the Design tab, we are going to first learn our team type and then learn our strategy type so that we can take action. So the first thing we do is start with a team. So I'm going to use a sample team here, just some sample data. And what's great about this is there's so much to do just with this screen. We can look at certain individuals who are in the team, understand an individual's strengths, preferred work style, potential blind spots, and also take a quick look at the self pattern for this individual. And it's nice to be able to kind of look around the team and see where different people are on the pie chart and really understand a little bit about, who might fall into innovation and agility, who might fall into results and discipline, teamwork and employee experience, process and precision. And there's a lot of work here we can do just to kind of understand the individual strengths of a team and then start to look at the one-on-one relationships, right? So this starts to help us understand a little bit about how to use a common language to build that sort of self-leadership, that self-awareness, and then explore the complementary relationships with others on the team. So once we do that, the software will help us understand a little bit about what kind of a team we are. It will assign a team type, and you'll learn a little bit about, what this team's strengths are, as well as some of the blind spots that can come when we turn these strengths up too high. So we take a look at that. That can lead to some really good conversations just to kind of understand how we're wired for work. And there'll be some tailored takeaways for the team. There's 9 different team types. So depending on how the team is wired for work, we'll have specialized recommendations. Now that can create a lot of great conversation, but what we can also do is we can look at the objectives and really tie the strategy style to a little bit about how this team is going to work together. So when we think about the options here, we can either have some leadership team objectives, if this is actually a leadership team, or we might have some standard team objectives. And we typically will collect this in advance. We'll collect this in advance so that then we can come in and kind of mark, what those objectives are. Once we do that, we can talk a little bit about how the team is feeling from a confidence of implementation standpoint for each objective and get alignment around that. And then we'll learn what strategy type those objectives fall into. Again, 9 strategy types, just like 9 team types. Now we have an understanding of how the team is wired to do the work. And we can understand, again, more details behind these 2 components. Strengths and blind spots can be discussed and debated, but the great opportunity is really to kind of look at these takeaways and make some recommendations about how we're actually going to take action as a team and plan how to accomplish the work that we want to do and know how to lean into our strengths, how to stretch with awareness, how to carry the culture of the organization, how to enhance individual performance, how to enhance the dynamics between individuals, and stay focused and have the most momentum that we can in terms of getting this work completed. So this is a little bit of a walkthrough of the team discovery offering in the Predictive Index software system.